In this video we are going to talk about the best Harley battery in this year, which is PowerStar replaces AGM battery Harley. We will be going over the special key features of this product, and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Sealed construction. PowerStar's unique construction and sealing technique ensure that no electrolyte leakage can occur from the terminals or case of any PowerStar battery. This feature ensures safe, efficient operation of PowerStar's batteries in any position. PowerStar batteries are classified as non-spillable and will meet all requirements of the International Air Transport Association. Absorptive Glass Mat System, AGM system. PowerStar batteries make use of fine mat separators, glass fiber, where insufficient electrolyte is absorbed to provide the longest life and steady service. This system prevents the escaping of electrolytes from the separator, which causes leakage. Gas recombination. PowerStar batteries incorporated unique design that effectively controls generation of gas and allows recombination of over 90% of gas generated during the normal use. Maintenance-free operation. During the expected floating service life of PowerStar batteries, there is no need to check the specific gravity of the electrolyte or add water, which means they require no maintenance service. In fact, there is no provision for these maintenance functions. Position-free and leakage-free. The combination of the sealed construction and the use of absorptive mat separators permit operation of PowerStar batteries in any position without loss of capacity, electrolytes, or service life. PowerStar batteries are made to operate in any position. Stable quality and high reliability. The PowerStar SLA battery has stable and reliable performance. It can be easily maintained to permit proper operation of the equipment that it powers. The battery can withstand overcharge, over-discharge, vibration, shock, and is capable of extended storage. Long service life. The PowerStar SLA battery has long life and float or cyclic service. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.